Hey Guardians! Welcome to part 3 of the Qualoo App tutorial series. In this part, we'll show you how to run internet tests, interpret the results, and start earning points, including passively. So let's run a test together. Click on Global Test and hit the test button. While that runs, here's what's actually happening. You can imagine the internet like a global postal system. Every bit of your data is like a tiny package. Whether you're streaming a film, checking the news, or making a video call, your data could be traveling halfway around the world and back in less than a second. Qualoo starts by checking your connection to the first hop, like your nearest cell tower or Wi-Fi access point. And most speed tests stop there, yet we go much further. We track how well your internet performs as it crosses borders and bounces between networks to give you a true picture of your actual quality of experience. To give you an example of how unique this is, traditional speed tests flood the roads with cars and trucks to see how much it can handle, yet that clogs up your connection and uses a lot of data. Whereas Qualoo sends a fast motorbike down the highway, which can spot traffic jams without causing any, meaning the way Qualoo tests your connection is a smarter and much lighter way than traditional speed tests. We also check for inefficient or slow routing, network congestion or delays, whether your provider is optimizing your performance like they should, and much, much more. And we only use a tiny amount of data to do it. Every test you run helps Qualoo map real-world internet performance, or a platform that analyzes that data in real time, revealing problems even internet service providers can't see. And the test is done. I just earned 25 points. Nice. After each test, you'll see a summary screen showing you some basic highlights of the information gathered to give you a quick bird's eye view of what your connection is like. Here you can also see a few performance indicators to each continent. And then to make it even easier to understand, tap Show Map View. Here you'll then see colored lines from your location to countries around the world. Green means a good connection, yellow is not that good but still usable, orange is not that great, and red is very bad, and even fails to meet international standards. Let's look at the connection to my country, the Netherlands. The line is orange, so if I tried to call my grandmother, I'd probably get some buffering and not that great quality of video and/or audio. To keep things simple, we're showing the map routes as straight lines. Yet in reality, internet traffic doesn't travel that way. As you'll see on this map, data often moves through a mix of submarine cables and overland routes, and it can take multiple different paths at the same time to reach its destination. Let me give you a practical example. When I try to watch the Premier League from Bangkok, my request might first travel all the way to a server in Miami and then go to London, which doesn't appear to make any sense, right? Yet this kind of stuff happens all the time, and we'll dive deeper into why in another video. So now let's see how I'm earning with the app. The main place to see what you've been earning is in the Activities tab. Here you'll see the total main points and the details on the different ways you've earned those points. Important to note is that the on-the-move mapping and active node testing points are tracked separately. They will serve a different purpose within the Qualoo ecosystem. Let's have a look at those passive earning options next. Tap Background Mapping and Testing Modes on the top right of your screen. Here you'll see the toggle buttons for on-the-move mapping, which are mini tests while you're driving, walking, or commuting. It helps us fill in the internet performance gaps everywhere without you needing to do anything. And active node testing. These are medium-sized tests that run in the background at regular intervals, and you'll earn a point each time. You can choose how often to test, but we recommend leaving it at the default 15 minutes. It gives the most reliable results and it helps you earn more faster. So those are the modes that allow you to earn passively. Please do note that you need to have background location enabled and activated, and the battery saving disabled for the Qualoo app for these to function properly. And that's it. In the final video, we'll show you how tasks, reporting, and feedback allow you to contribute even more. And thank you so much again for watching the video. Now that you know how to test the internet and the benefit it brings to all of us, you've become a true Qualoovian and guardian of the internet.